Hi! In front of me is ASUS ROG Phone 7, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this device. You need to start by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Security and Screen Lock. Now click on Screen Lock and tap on the best login method for you: pattern, PIN or password. Following that, you need to create it and repeat it in order to confirm it. Then hit confirm at the bottom right corner. Lastly, click on one of those options to answer the question: how do you want the lock screen to display your notifications? Show all notification content, show sensitive content only when unlocked, or don't show notifications at all. I don't want any, so I will go with the last option and hit done at the bottom. So finally, when I switch off my screen and then turn it back on, I can see that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!